Okay, last time we finished at this point. This is the last step before just press install and everything will go smoothly. This is enough for us to work with the sample data. But one problem is that part, you know, this is what is just file name. And we don't want to have it this way. We'd like to have something like the block English when we hover over, we've got some additional information. To do so, we need to edit one file, and it, of course, will be ready for the translation as well. This file is in our demo, installation, language, engb, that one. I have already opened it in my text editor, and we need to scroll down to line about 100 when we've got all this install sample block set. This is just constructed quite easily. We've got install prefix, set suffix, and if we have a look, we've got here, this is our stuff. Exactly. Install sample data QS, which is basically file name but capitalized, and a description. I put a GB just to indicate what kind of language we are using. This is just to display it. When we want to just description, we need to just scroll down and put additional line like here. Install prefix sample data QS set, which is basically the same like in the line 100, and description. And we just put a description on this. If we save it, go back to our installation directory, refresh it. Unfortunately, we need to put the password again. Next, database, next. And we've got our quick start sample data GB and quick start Joomla and Gantry full set with all our sample data. You have to agree that this looks much better than previously. But by default, sample data, none, is selected. We don't want actually the user to make this mistake and go through all this installation without any data. We of course could just get rid of all these other things and just leave our data. But I like to give the user the choice. To do so, we need to edit another file. Another file is installation localized XML. I've got it here. And in this place, we need to put the file name, which is sample data qs.sql, and save it. Unfortunately, we need to refresh it again. Put the admin password. As you can see, this is selected by default. Now, the moment of truth. Just click install, and we are doing everything from scratches. Please remember that in previous video I decided to keep two additional users, which is one fake dodgy admin, another one is TKSD user. TKSD user is just to show user block. That's it. And dodgy admin is, I keep it to show you what can happen if we just leave some backdoors. Yep, we remove it. We are going to see our site, which is here. Lovely. Everything what we need. This is the user block. This is the why I decide to keep that TK as the user. But let's have a look how it works. Admin, this is a user we created during the installation. Yep, and the users. And we see we've got the admin and Dojo admin. Okay, let's log out. Definitely, our quick start package works. Yep, and now we are logging as a Dojo admin. Really don't want it to happen. That's it. Here we are. Just few seconds after the proper admin, we've got a Dojo admin. And what Dojo admin can do, can do that kind of thing. Activated is okay. Disable. Fine. Log out. Oops. This is what can happen. And the Dojo admin can do whatever